In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Microsoft OneNote. If you've ever scrolled through pages trying to find that one sentence you wrote last week, this walkthrough will save you time. OneNote has a built-in search that works across pages, sections, and even multiple notebooks, and it updates results as you type so you can zero in quickly. Start by opening OneNote. At the top of the window, look for the search field with the magnifying glass icon. Click it, then start typing a word or phrase you remember. As you type, OneNote begins showing suggestions and matches. You'll see snippets of text with your term highlighted so you can identify the right spot at a glance. When you see what you need, click the result. OneNote immediately jumps to the exact page where that text appears, placing your cursor near the match so you can read around it or continue editing. Right below the search box, or sometimes within a small drop-down next to it, you'll find options that control where OneNote looks. This is your search scope, and choosing the right one can make a big difference. If you select this page, OneNote searches only the note you're currently viewing, perfect for quickly finding a term inside a long page. This section limits results to the section you're in, which is handy when your notes are grouped by topic and you know the general area. This notebook searches just the current notebook, ideal for keeping results focused, but broad enough to find what you need. And All Notebook scans every notebook you have open, the best choice when you're not sure where you stored something. Keep in mind, searching all notebooks includes only the notebooks that are currently open in OneNote. A quick note about versions. Not every edition of OneNote supports every scope. The web version, in particular, may limit searches to the current section or notebook, depending on where your notes are stored. If you don't see an option you expect, that's normal for some platforms. For faster searching, there are a couple of helpful keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl+F to find text on the current page, or to bring up the search box if it isn't already active. On Windows, Ctrl+E lets you search across all notebooks you have open, which is a great way to cast a wide net. If you're seeing too many results, narrow the scope to a section or a single page. If you're not finding enough, broaden to the current notebook or all open notebooks and try a slightly different keyword or phrase. With these tools, you'll be able to locate your notes in seconds.